guys! So welcome sa aming mumunting hardin. Look at that! Those are tomatoes. Yan, those are tomatoes. And then the pole in there, or the stake. Look at that. That's my string beans or sitaw. O, diba? Look at my sitaw. Yan. Yan. Yan ang aking sitaw. And then, okra over there. Yan. Those steaks are okra. And, this lane are pumpkin. Look at that pumpkin. Look at that. Look at my pumpkins. And since my husband loves pumpkin pie. And then look at the eggplant. That's eggplant. And then pepper. Yan. I don't know if it's red or green bell pepper or red. Yan. Oh, they're starting to have some flowers already. That's okra also. That's okra. So, yan ang aming mumunting hardin. Diba? Nakakastaba ng puso. Look, oh. Nag-flowers na ang mga tomatoes. At foggy. Look at the cornfield. It's foggy in there. So, yun lang ang update sa aming mumunting hardin. Update ko ulit kayo kapag namumunga na siya. Actually, magtatanim ako dito ng sweet potatoes. This side. Yan. Plano ko dyan magtanim pa ng sweet potatoes. Or kamote sa atin sa Philippines. Kasi gusto kong magulay ng kamote. Yung dahon ng kamote. So, yan. Tatanim ako dyan ng kamote sa lane na ito. Tsaka baka magdagdag ako ng string beans or ng sitaw. So, yun lang.